doesn't appear to be wanting to move. Someone's already been over beating on this tooth, but I don't have good access to get onto it. So we need to make some access. You need to make access.
Some sort of cutting tool.
That's it. Resembles this.
There you go. Shit.
Out of my hand. Yeah, access point.
Look at that.
Get in there now. There's a help in it, but pretty much 90 degrees. See the rust coming out?
Yeah,
See how it's moving?
I do.
It moved. Lots of moving. Still hot. So far I haven't broken the case yet either. Another good sign. Screen hole opened up down there. Solid rust. See the screen?
Yeah.
Got more lube soak in there. Back and forth a couple more times, kind of soak in. Move easier now, see? Doing its job. Don't want to hit the case.
I don't want to mess that up.
Yeah, we don't want to do that. That'd be bad. That's good. It's a new area in there. We got a nice rust in there. Solid rust. If we could take it go in a circle, it'd be great. Make sure it's not digging in over here though. It's definitely digging in the case. You can see the mark. See the chatter marks in the bottom of the hole?
Yeah.
It's definitely digging in. Doesn't want to come out easy. It went in. It doesn't like going this way. I don't like that. Probably digging the case up a little bit. There it goes. Yeah, I didn't like that way.
Looked like it got loose.
Compared to where it was over there, it got loose, yeah. Now, if we're lucky, there's enough angle on this. Oh, I broke the case.
Oh, yeah, it looks like a crack.
Yep, it broke it. Broke it a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit. That's why I was beating it back this way as it did that.
Oh, look at that.
Turn and rotate at the same time, does wonders. Too bad I broke the case. I didn't think that was ever going to come out. I'm shocked that actually came out.
So that's reusable.
Yeah. You can put the tooth bag on it. Yeah, when I went in too deep, it didn't want to come back, and beating, I just kept shoving it out, and it just broke the case. But all you do is beat it out, weld it right back up there. I clean the breather up, put it back in a hole, so it stays round.
Okay.
And then just feed out about 50% deep, and then put a weld right across that, it'll be fine. Yeah, I did not want to come back out. See, even going this direction here, you see there's a high spot on that thing that was bent down. Doesn't look like there's a high spot. You can see where it's leaving mark though, so it obviously is. You can see how it's beating down on the tooth. It has to be digging in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm shocked that actually came out. I figured that'd be worse than this one. As much goop as I put in there, it's still trying to dry. Your light's not on, so.
The light switch.
Button over here, don't push on the light.
No.
No. There you go. Now you can look in the hole and actually see something.
Ooh.
Still kind of dry down there. I flooded it with goop. Case is still hot though. Now it's just this one. That's it. It's got to move. If it doesn't move, you ain't getting it out. That's the secret. Got to move. So far we have not broken the case anymore with all that beating and heating on it. I'm surprised at some point it's going to break. Pretty bad anyway, but this is just practice for a good case. It's still repairable. That can be beat out, that can be fixed. Gotta weld the snout back on there. It can be fixed. If I can replace the whole bottom and sides, I can replace this minor shit. But this is bad when it cracks through here though. That's pretty bad. When it comes up through here, that's bad. It's into the oil gallery too. So you gotta cut it out through the gallery, weld it solid. Most likely. Probably have to. Alright, this one over here. Let's try hitting on this way again. Try to get as low down as I can. Those are solid hits, and they ain't moving. Those are big time hits. Yeah, moving. It's so bowed now you probably won't get it out anyway. It's buckled down so far. It's definitely not round anymore. It almost looks like it's moved, but I know it hasn't. It's just beating on it, does it? So this one here, we're going to have to cut the damn thing off. Put it in the milling machine, bore it straight down, and you get it thin enough it'll come out. Ooh, that's loosened up.
Okay, look at that.
That's about the most valuable thing in this case is the dowel pins. They don't make them correctly.
Really?
I gotta make the damn things. Yeah, everybody thinks they're 5/16 or 3/8. They're not 3/8. They're just their underside. They're 3. They're under that. They're not standard size. I think they're 5/16. They're not 3/8. They're like 308 diameter instead of 312. So you can't just put a dowel pin in, it doesn't fit unless you ring the hole bigger. Then it'll fit, but you gotta make it then. Yeah, well, all that beating the crack did not open up more. It still stopped where it was. It has not moved. When I'm done beating on this, if it was going to move, it's probably would have moved already. Now if I take it and cut it, like I did on the other side, and get something to beat on, I can beat on it some more, but the problem is it's just going to fold over. It's not solid like the gear is here. You got solid metal you're beating on. It's just going to buckle. It's a tube. So I think that one we're just going to have to cut it out. But luckily this shaft came out. Got the breather out. Got 5 of the studs out. Overall not too bad. A lot better than I thought it was going to be. This is definitely a bad case. But if you need a 51 case, 51, if you need it bad enough, you can make it work. There's other ones out there are probably a little better than this one. Alright, that's it for now.